Good morning, student. In today's video, we will be seeing the formulas for chapter number 3, measures of central tendency. Okay. Now, formulas are based on two type of data. The one is known as ungrouped data, or you can also say it raw data. Okay. For ungrouped data, raw data, one and the same. This type of a data means what? You are having only observation that is denoted by X. Again I am telling, in ungrouped data you will be having only observations which are known as X. Okay, only X are there. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this you are having the data. In this you will be having the formula based on again two method. One is known as direct method, okay, and the second one is known as shortcut method. Okay, two method. First we will see by direct method how to find mean. Mean is denoted by a symbol which is known as X bar. For that, sigma means total of all the observation, that is denoted by X. Okay, divide by n means total number of observation. Okay, how many numbers of observations are there? That total. 5 is there, so 5, 6 is there, then 6, like that. Okay, so this is a formula for direct method. For shortcut method, remember always there will be a means assumed number which we are selecting, any number we can assume. So for that, mean equals to a assumed number plus shortcut method comes with FD, deviation, sigma, okay, sigma d. F will when come when frequency is there, but here if only observation are there means only total of the deviation. Deviation means subtracting the term from the observation divided by n. Okay, so to find the mean, direct method formula is sigma x upon n, and shortcut method formula is a plus sigma d upon n. So this is to find mean. Second, to find combined mean. Combined mean is denoted by X bar C. Combined mean. Two groups are given. We have seen in the theory. Okay, two groups are given. So to find the combined mean of that two groups, the formula is, there is no shortcut formula. You have to apply this one formula. Only for mean we are having two formula. One is the direct method formula and the next one is shortcut method formula. Now combined mean, that is N1, total number of observation of group 1, into mean 1, mean of group 1, plus N2, total number of observation of group 2, into multiplied mean of the second group, and so on. If third is also given, then plus N3, like that it will go on. Divide by N1 plus N2. Is that clear? This is a formula for combined mean. It will be going so on if you are having the number n2 nn into mean n, as many numbers you are having, like here also, so on n as many numbers you have, like that. Okay, now the next formula, third, that is known as weighted mean, that is mean W, denoted by mean W, known as weighted mean. In that the formula is weight 1 into observation 1. Observation I am telling, not mean I am telling. Okay, plus weight 2 into observation 2. Like here also, plus so on, weight n, as many you are having, observation n, divide by weight 1 plus weight 2 plus so on, as many weights you are having. Okay. Then the next fourth, geometric mean denoted by J. So the formula nth root and the product of the observation, that is observation x1 into x2 into x3 into so on up till xn. Is that clear? So this is the formula for mean, combined mean, weighted mean and geometric mean. Now coming to the next one, that is median, and this was about, we have seen about mean. Okay, now coming to the part of a median. So in median, the formula, first, when only I'm talking about ungrouped. Okay, we have not started for the grouped one. For ungrouped we are going. For finding the mean, the formula is m equals to the value of ungrouped means plus 1, n plus 1, median means divided into 2, n plus 1 divided by 2 observation. Okay, then coming for the quartiles. Quartiles means divided into 4 parts, but we are going to study about 3 only. Q1, same formula, but one more thing will come. Value of n plus 1 divide by 4th observation. Okay, Q2, the value of 2. So here 2 will come. 2 into n plus 1 divide by 4th observation. Okay, then Q3, the value of 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4th observation. Okay, so this is about the particular term, the value of median n plus 1 divided by 2, Q1 n plus 1 divided by 4, Q2 so 2 into n plus 1 divided by 4, Q3 so 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4 for ungrouped data. Okay, same way for the deciles. Okay, D, for any of the term, it is coming, then the value of n plus 1 divide by 10th observation. Here you have to remember that D is from 1 to 10. So if suppose it is coming D5, so here it will come as 3 we have kept. So 5 multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 10. If D9 they have said, so here 9 will come, 9 into n plus 1 divided by 10. Okay, that observation we have to take. Okay, same way the next one for the percentiles. So P, if any of the number they are asking 95, then the value of 95, suppose here, into n plus 1 divide by 100 observations. Okay, if suppose P70, the value of 70 into n plus 1 divided by 100 observation. So these are the formulas for finding decile, percentile, quartile for ungrouped data. Now coming to grouped data. Grouped data. Okay, group data is divided into two parts. One is discrete data and the other one is continuous data. Okay, coming to the first part, here also mean. So for mean, in discrete the formula is mean equals to, discrete means where the existence of observation and frequency is there. Okay, observation x and f is there. Continuous means you will be having classes like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 0 to 9, 20 to 29, like this. They are known as continuous and these are known as discrete, means the existence of frequency starts in group data. So here x bar equals to sigma fx, only the includeness of f will come, sigma fx divided by n for discrete. But for continuous, mean equals to a plus sigma fd upon n into c. This will come. Is that clear? This you have to remember. Discrete, continuous, in that also you have to remember two method. One is direct method and FD for the shortcut method. Remember that. Okay, clear this thing. Then coming to the next part, median. In median also the formula for discrete data and continuous data. Okay, so here for m, the value of n plus 1 will come in discrete, divide by tooth observation. Is that clear? But here in continuous, the formula for m will be related with L. L, lower boundary point, plus instead of n plus 1, n by 2 minus CF, cumulative frequency, upon F, frequency, into C, class length. Of what? N by 2, the value of n by 2 which is coming. Based on that you will decide the class of that particular class. It will be your lower boundary point. Of that class, the upper one will be your cumulative frequency. Of that class, the particular will be your frequency, and of that class only it will be your class limit. Okay, so in continuous the formula related to L will come, and in discrete only you have to find n plus 1 upon 2. Whatever the value is coming, you will be seeing in the cumulative frequency, and in that not your cumulative frequency or frequency will be your answer, but its observation will be taken as your answer. Now coming to the same way, quartiles. In that again for discrete, data, and same way for continuous data. Okay, for Q1 it will be same, the value of n plus 1 upon 4 divided by fourth observation. Okay, but here it will be what? Q1 equals to same L plus n by 4. Okay, n by 4 will come, plus 1 will not come, minus CF, rest of other will be same as like the median, upon F into C. Same way for Q2, the value of n plus 1 upon 4 into tooth observation, but here it is related with Q2, so we have to write 2 into. Okay, same way here Q2 equals to L plus 2 into n by 4 minus CF upon F into C. Now coming with the formula of Q3, the value of 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4th observation, and for continuous Q3 equals to L plus 3 into n by 4 minus CF upon F into C. Similar, nothing else is going to change, only the value of this n by 4, n by 2 is going to change. Now coming to the next part, quartiles we have done. Let us see deciles. In deciles, the same way for discrete data and continuous data. So for discrete, if any of the value from 1 to 10 they are asking, okay, it will be the value of, if 5 they are asking, so you will write 5 here, but I have taken as 1, so suppose 1, if I am taking for D1, okay, so 1 into n plus 1, decile means divided by 10th observation. If suppose 2, then you will write 2. If suppose 3, then you will write 3. Whatever number it is coming, you will be writing that number over there. Same way for deciles over here, L plus, nothing else is going to change, n by 10. If 10, then here 10, 9, then here 9, 8, then here 8, minus CF upon F into C. Okay, then coming to the next one, that is percentiles. Okay, same way for discrete data and for continuous data. So for discrete, suppose P10 or P25, so whatever, you will writing the value over there. So the value of suppose P10, then 10 you will write here into n plus 1 upon 100 observation. Okay, and same way for percentile, whatever the percentile they are giving, L plus the number you will be writing here, whatever the number it is coming, divide by n by 100 minus CF upon F into. Now let us see the formula for mode. For mode, the formula for ungrouped data, the formula will be, mode is denoted by MO. Okay, the formula is maximum time the frequency repeated. Okay, for ungrouped data, mode, the maximum number of time the frequency, the particular, the observation. Okay, the frequency or observation repeated, that is will be your mode. But for group data, mode. In group data it is divided into two. For discrete, I am telling the formula. For discrete data, the highest frequency in that its observation x will be the mode. Is that clear? In discrete means you are having observation which is denoted by x plus you are having frequency. So highest frequency which is there, from that highest frequency in front of that whichever observation is there, that will be taken as your mode. Okay. For continuous data, you will be having a formula, that is MO equals to L, lower boundary point, plus FM means maximum frequency, highest frequency, minus F1, its upper number will be considered as F1, divide by 2 into FM minus F1 minus F2 into C. Okay, highest frequency, suppose it is 16, 10 and 12. So this will be considered your FM, this will be considered your F1, and the down one will be considered your F2. Is that clear? So these are the formulas for mode. The formula for mode, clear here, ungrouped data and for group data. Okay. So next we will start our exercise. In 3.1 we will start our exercise. Thank you for today.